Makan McDonald's.
Dito, nagtatrabaho ka pa din? Akala ko IKEA ka lang. Happy birthday to you. Hey!
Later.
Happy! Happy birthday! Yun o. Happy birthday!
Thank you. Happy.
The meat is juicy.
Oh, the meat is juicy. Ito happy overload.
Happy overload.
Oh, happy ka na. Birthday mo.
Sold na sold. Ang birthday ko ngayon.
Oh, di ba? Ako ang tanongin mo kung sold na sold.
Malamang sold na sold ang bulsa mo.
Happy ka din? Birthday mo rin?
Birthday din yan eh.
Toy.
Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe.